Hello and congratulations on ordering your new AGL Grass lawn. We understand that you may have some questions, so we put together this video to provide you with all the information you need. I'll walk you through what to expect during the installation process, how to properly care for your new artificial grass, and much more. So let's get started. How does AGL Grass installation process work? Once you picked your AGL Grass style, we'll schedule an installation with you. The AGL Grass crew will come and assess your site before installation. Materials will then be delivered to site. Then preparation begins. This starts with removing any existing natural grass and removing a depth of 3 inches of soil. This is called the subgrade. A geocloth is then laid on top of the subgrade, which will act as a weed barrier between the ground and your new grass. Once that's done, 3 inches of limestone screening are laid out, graded and compacted. The artificial grass is then laid out. Seaming and trim is then performed to clean up and create the shape specific for your space. This will shape around things like patio stones, trees, decks, and anything else your new grass is being shaped around. Once the artificial grass is completely laid out and seamed together, it is fastened around the perimeter. The last step is to brush up the grass to fluff all the blades up, the final touch to your fresh new lawn. How long will the installation of my AGL Grass artificial lawn take? The timing of an installation depends on the size and complexity of your project. But on average, the AGL Grass crew can install up to 2,800 square feet per day. As a homeowner or business owner, do I need to prep anything in advance of my AGL Grass installation? The AGL Grass team will cover the entire installation process. All you need to do is clean up the yard and any pet waste before we arrive. Just sit back, relax, and you'll soon be enjoying your beautiful new lawn. As a homeowner or business owner, do I have to be at home or on site to monitor the installation? We recommend that you are present for the beginning walkthrough and for the final overview of the work, but it's not necessary to be present for the duration of the installation. How do I clean and maintain AGL Grass artificial grass? Depends on its use. AGL Grass products are easily maintained. Using a leaf blower, power washer, or leaf rake will keep your grass looking fresh and natural. To clean up after your pet does their business, a simple scoop and spray with a hose is all you need. Can my children or pets safely play on AGL Grass artificial grass? All products from AGL Grass are completely safe for children and pets to play on. AGL Grass has been installed in thousands of daycares, playgrounds, pet parks, canine training facilities, and doggy pet hotels across North America. There are no toxins or harmful chemicals in any of our products, leaving the environment and your loved ones safe. Will AGL Grass artificial grass stain clothing? AGL Grass will not stain, break down, or leach onto any clothing. You can also say goodbye to muddy footprints from kids or pets. How long is AGL Grass artificial grass guaranteed for? AGL Grass has a warranty period of 15 years non-prorated. So, enjoy your carefree lawn for years to come. Are there any expenses after installation that I should be aware of? There are no additional costs to your new grass. We do offer additional tools to maintain your grass. However, things like leaf blowers, rakes, and power washers are all available for purchase through AGL Grass. I live in a cold climate. Does snow affect the durability of my AGL artificial grass? Cold climates will not affect your AGL Grass artificial lawn. Snow, rain, salt, or sleet will not stain or damage your grass. Does artificial grass get hot? Compared to natural grass, AGL Grass products maintain only 5 to 15 degree difference. Other artificial turf products can heat up substantially up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Does AGL Grass require infill? Our grass is engineered to perform without infill. AGL Grass synthetic grass products are specifically designed to stay fluffed up and avoid premature wear and tear. No infill means no bad smells and no annoying pieces of materials between you and your grass. AGL Grass is the first artificial grass company to have provided a non-infill grass product in the industry for as long as 15 years now. The technology is and has proven to be working. We hope this video has been helpful in answering any questions about your new AGL Grass lawn. Soon you'll be able to enjoy a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn for years to come.